Hello everybody. Today we will learn how to prepare a virus prevention juice that also builds up the immune system. The ingredients for these include 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1/2 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Alright, without further delay, let's get into it. So first, take a bowl and pour 1 glass of water into the bowl and place it on the stove. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger and rest of the ingredients in order. Boil until the water evaporates to 1/2 of the original amount. Then filter out the juice into a glass. The juice is now ready and can be served. We have to drink this juice on a regular basis in the morning up to 3 to 5 days. It is very helpful for building the immune system. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And thank you for watching.